Universities transform lives and communities across the UK. Though I'm proudly a graduate of Cambridge, universities are so much more than just places of study. They're at the forefront of some of the world's most important discoveries, innovations and social initiatives, such as MRI scans, tackling plastic pollution, and the establishment of the living wage. We all benefit from universities, whether you've been there or not. And this campaign is testament to the huge impact that universities have on everyone, every day, such as the discovery of penicillin, ultrasound scans as well, all coming from UK academics. But this campaign is also about highlighting the many unexpected and unusual things coming from UK universities, such as the invention of care robots to help the elderly, or helping to protect the world's supply of chocolate. Universities are working to make life better for everyone, everywhere, such as research supporting children through autism through drumming.